You want to start a business and you have absolutely no idea where you can get started, or you've got so many ideas and you end up getting confused on which name you can pick for your business or which name is suitable for your business. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find business names that are going to suit your business. So let's just go straight into today's video. Now you simply have to come over here to Google and just type in business name generator, and there is this free one and there's also this one over here, which is logo.com. Now what I like about this one, let me just click on it and then you will be able to see for yourself. Before you can even come up with just a title or a little bit of an idea about the business name that you want, you can come over here and get some ideas on how you can name your business. So your business name has to be easy to spell, meaning that you have to avoid odd or funky spellings and choose a name that can be easily spelled, and also it has to be easy to recall. So these are just tips for you when you are looking for a business name. So the only thing that you have to do is to just type up a little bit about your business. Maybe you want to have a coffee shop, or you want to have a general store. When you want to have a general store, because you're going to be selling all types or all sorts of products, it's better not to just name it after another product. So let's say, for example, you're having a general store. You can even come over here and type general and then come over here to generate and see what ideas are going to come over here on business name generator. So there is good general, there is generalary, there's general design, there is hit general, and there is smart general. So these are all the names that you can come over here and choose. So if you need any of these names over here, you can also get a domain name that's also related to your business name. So as you can see over here, all these business names, they have something below here which says domains available, meaning that the domain name for this business name is not yet taken, which is a very good thing for you. Now you just come, maybe let's say you're choosing AN general or front general or general design, or maybe you want to have a hardware. You can come over here and type hardware. So these are the names that you can get. Going back to the first business name generator, I'm just going to go back to Google, and this was the name. I'm just going to click on it and then it's going to take me over here. Let's just say, for example, I want my business name to have something to do with my name. So I'm just going to say ere over here, marketing, and let's see what it gets for us. So I'm gonna click get started and see the names that are gonna appear over here. So that's how you get your names, so simple. So there's the trendy trends, and there's also the domain name availability. So these are all the names that are coming up over here, and if I'm not happy with any of the names that are over here, I just click on generate more and I will see more names. So I'm not even looking at all these names. Maybe I can also find something that I like dashing dresses, creative code, especially for somebody maybe who has a boutique here. It's not really about marketing only, so it also showed a lot of different categories like fashions, and also if you're selling maybe even rags, stitches, couture, and also there is accessories over here. So you get all different types of names, and it's also going to be easy for you to determine the name that you want. There is elegant, essentials, there's chic children's wear, there's modern men's wear, there's trendy tights. So all these names can be suitable for you. You just have to come over here, especially when you have an idea of what kind of a name you want. This is really going to be useful for you. These are the websites, and there's so many like them. So you just come over here to business name generator and you scroll. Even on Shopify, it does also generate names for you. Let me just click over here on Shopify and you will be able to see. And also my query can be, let's say again, marketing, and see what we get from Shopify. And the good thing about Shopify, after this you can also open the store here on Shopify. You get your domain name here as well. You also get the shop over here. So there is area marketing, there is night area marketing, pretty area marketing. As you can see, there's so many different names over here. As I scroll, there's a lot of them. If I can also go to page 2 and see more names. So these are all names that I can choose from. So if you have an idea of what you want already, you are sorted. So that's how you get your business name from business name generators without even having to break your brains. So thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.